Okay, when the door locks, two little shafts rotate and press those two little micro switches. Let's see. Now, when the door unlocks, the shaft should rotate and undo the micro switches. You can see the one on the right didn't rotate sufficiently. Therefore your door won't open from the outside. Manually pulling the cable will rotate that shaft. Don't have enough hands to do that here. There, the door is now unlocked, haven't unlocked from the inside. Now, I've discovered that if you pour plenty of cleaning fluid inside, the motor starts running again, saving me having to buy a new lock.